Hi. So what does a document that you've created on the Paper Pro look like on the reMarkable 2? So let's have a look. So first of all, I would like to show you, this is just in daylight, the difference between the two screens. So just while you're here, you might as well have a look. You can see it does have a slightly blue tinge to it, in my opinion. And this one's more black, right? But I do have, I can't show you the front light. I do have the front light on, but I'll take that off and show you. So just 1 second. If I do that, and I come down here and take, it's actually better to have the front light off during the day because you don't use the battery then, and also it doesn't really help. Okay, so can you see now? That's no front light on both of them, so the screens are slightly different colours. I love it. It's not a problem for me. All right, so, but I wanted to show you, I created this document and I'm recording this video in a minute. So this video is not about the top 5 things, guys. I'm telling you, make your life so much easier. But anyway, you can go and watch that one in a tick. So I created this document in the reMarkable Paper Pro because, I've been using it a lot because I love it. And you can see there's 7 pages, right? And you can see that everything fits really well on it. So let's not do spoiler alert. And so here is the same document on the reMarkable 2. So let me just move everything over a bit. Hang on a minute. All right. Good. You can see that it cuts off down the bottom here. Can you see that? And can you see that basically the real estate is so much more on this one, which is why that document is then put onto here. And the resolution for the file is different. This is 1872 by 1404, and this one is 2160 by 1620, the big one. If that's of interest to you, you can Google it. So, but this is it. And you sort of have to scroll down to see it, right? One moment. Let's hop out of that. Let's go into, for a second, a PDF, right? That would be useful, wouldn't it? A PDF, let's just go daily. It's just for next year. Oh, which is, yeah, okay. That was a birthday week. So let me just go shopping, recording, customer service. So all I'm doing, I just want to show you. So if I was planning out my one big thing for the day, and then I've got my 3 goals here, and then my action steps that I can transfer later to my task management system, that's all good. Now, I don't want to restart this one because this one's saying there's an update. I want to see what it is, but that's okay. Go back to work and shop, wrong pen, Martine. Let me just get the reMarkable pen, work, shop, planners and daily. Now, interestingly, let's just check for a sec. So this should be syncing, but because this label is here, I can't see if it's syncing. But you can see here how what that's done now is it's synced back to my.remarkable.com, which is my account in the cloud, which will then sync with any other tablet I have registered. All right, so I'm going to go into daily 2025 and I use the Monday start. And, don't you just love it? I love it. I'm so looking forward to this and a bit more functionality. If you would like to see any functions, JB from Morning Coach just did this and it's so bizarre. I was thinking about what I would love to see, whether I should make a video about it or not. And then he went and made a video about it. So I'm not copying you, JB, even though copying is the highest form of flattery. But anyway, if there's any functionality you would like to see, JB also has a thread down under his video. I'll link the thumbnail for his in here somewhere. And you can go and check that out. But I would love to collect. I have my own little wish list, so I think I will make a video. You know. Anyway, what would you like? Let me know down below. All right, so you can see that on this one, of course, I can't use this pen on here. You can see it looks, so I just wanted to show you the templates and also a native notebook. So the native notebooks, when you do plus notebook, that's a native notebook. That's just what I call it, so that I can differentiate between that and a notebook that you might have imported as a PDF file. Also, the word template, I find, means different things to different people. And so it can be confusing when you're asking a question about templates as to whether you mean a native notebook that's been created from the template library, or whether you're just referring to a hyperlinked planner or PDF document of some description or, yeah. It wouldn't be, I don't think people use it interchangeably with an ebook, but they do definitely use it interchangeably with a PDF, the word template. But anyway, so you can see, so down here, if you look down the bottom here, you can see there is it says Wholehearted Me. And down here, you can also see, it's just very, because of the color contrast on the screen, you can't see it as well, but that it's Wholehearted Me down there. So you can see that it fits the same in the window. And so that's a PDF file, but I wanted to also show you this. That's the document drawer up the top, just for those that don't know. But you can see that when you create a document on the FAVES, it is going to fit differently in the reMarkable 2. If that's of interest to you and that matters, then just know that. Okay. All right. That's it for this one. I've got to record my 5 essentials now. This is what you need to know if you're a beginner, so look out for that one. Bye.